Ebusia yensa ebomodin atimi aka Nigerian ni abrantie bi a yesusu se ya fa ni team a all act based on drug chese yehunu se one na mabonten a wo kasa ye niam bi a chese emfra Ghana fo bi mu a hunu no bo modin eso ni mu hankofe no de koma police fo nso saka na wode ne call Nigerians wo Ghana ha say one palace a chese wo hen no ete no wode no command almost say na yehu wo nkola ni bia na say wo kromfo ibi wo krom na ne ekoso ne de age wa na wo betimi eyi ano na we na wo mo bon mo de ahwehwe abrante ni niam ehu ne passport say okuta ne passport na din a okuta wo ne passport mu Okoli Christian Daniel Nonso na ni din na we bisa abrante no den na no nipa no mu abodam mo say abodam na no na mo san bisa say den na no na ensem bi say no kan you say okay send me to court. I want to go and bring my father back to life. They killed him without my permission. Na just say first thing Nonso no wo kan ye wo ne nkrofo na nimu a wo te car red mu na busu ma ye go video yi na ye mra na ye ntua so ne wo kan biom.
God send me to court. I want to go and bring back my father back to life. They killed him. I should put all in the nation.
I think the best thing is to take him to
then
this one gets this one very well. This is one of our brothers.
Not brothers, please. I'm a mad person.
They brought him here in the palace.
I'm a mad person.
The guy is growing
I don't
mad.
want to kill my mother.
Here his passport.
My mother is a prostitute.
Some great, wonderful Ghanaians.
I'm not really wonderful. They are useless Ghanaians.
And they picked him up.
They came to my house with Awusa yesterday. I'm not scared of this man. He's a small boy. He killed my father. I'm not scared of him. Shut up, sir. Shut up, sir.
So that,
stop lying. Stop lying. They want to kill me. So by 9 o'clock. USA, help me. I'm a child of Israel.
Psychiatric hospital now.
You're mad.
Yes.
Your children will visit psychiatric hospital.
So how long have you been in Ghana?
I've not been in Ghana, sir.
Huh?
I've not been in Ghana, sir.
You've not been in Ghana?
Yes.
So what are you doing here?
I don't know, sir.
Why you don't know?
I don't know, sir.
When did you come here?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
Yes, sir.
So which area do you live here?
I don't know, sir. Shut up.
Thank you. And this is the Igbo?
Yes, that is making me to run mad, sir. Please, I want to run mad more. But
anyway,
you take me, let me, if it's put enough Igbo, let me die with you.
You say you smoke cocaine, right?
Yes, I take cocaine, sir.
Apart from the
you can bring it and I will show you.
Yes. So where do you buy them?
I don't buy them. Politicians give to me.
Politicians give to you?
To tell them ideas. They bring fine girls in Abuja. I know many. Should I give you information, sir? Are you ready to die today?
Go ahead.
You're ready to die today?
Go ahead.
Should I give you the person's name?
Go ahead, yes.
If I die today, by 9 o'clock, and Jesus cannot save me, Allah cannot save me, Igbo man cannot save me, Ghana man cannot save me. If rock does not fall on Ghana, I do not see bomb, because I don't have bomb. I only have bread.
Okay, so I think the best thing to do is take you to psychiatric hospital.
Because I'm mad.
And I'm going to send this video to all the
US to kill me, or to Islamic to kill me.
All the Nigeria platforms.
They come and kill me this night.
So that
I'm not
everybody will see that our brother is not feeling well.
So that, shut up! I'm quiet. My mother is an ashawo.
So that we'll support
Mommy, you're an
you.
ashawo. After my father died, I built a house for you. And you brought a man to the house. Mommy, you're an ashawo.
So we'll do the best we can to rescue you, okay?
Rescue? Small boy like you want to rescue me. From Buhari, and you slap Buhari, small boy like you, I'm telling you. Small boy is talking to his father, are you crazy?
His name is Okele Christian
Daniel. There's a mistake on the name. They say I'm a Christian. I have mark. They put anchor for my hand. They say I should not preach.
So we will do the needful to rescue him.
Ebusia enti obi abodam ono atimi ka say ai mabodam na say akwaya papa idie o say mu na moblei ono o say wono wabodam eteko enti no yemfre wa wontimi modam na ensem na abrantie ne keka wo mu na politicians na man wi na say yehu wi so e wo ne niam mu a ye bisa na o say politicians e na de man no because omo de fan get ensem na e bebre bi say na wote wo video ni mu na angasa a wo say stop lying Stop lying, said they will kill me by 9 o'clock. USA, help me. I'm a child of Israel. Nature said, and no na walk can a crofo eka se wobua. One person police for the nebetum say we na ye who on in yama into or act. ABC war per quine or befa so dear Johnny or per just say obia eke canad. And I also watching and say video ya wo she fa also dear ever to on my na ye fan to crofo dear eka say sana air corner dear. Na ya fane sa na ebusuya aha na meja mo esimidia ene akosuya poku ansa eke feed 1 persona subscribe na afen so follow yen wo IG Facebook mahimfie ho Twitter ho hia me pa na share to other social media platforms are also na nyame obehira wo se wo ye ne sa makra mo da sende message ya